Go for it, big girl. Go get your basket.
Okay.
Easter morning.
Go.
Holy cow.
I got a basket like I said. Ah. You gave me foam stickers. You got me even more home pears.
Oh, nice.
Let's get this Easter basket. Here's an Easter egg.
I think he ate the carrots, huh?
Yup, he ate the carrots. Let's go over here.
I see a ton more in here.
Where's
They're everywhere. Holy cow.
you? I'm gonna go look in the hallway. I'm gonna look in here now.
You're at light speed.
Let's go.
Any more?
Going.
I don't see any more.
Oh, I would take a good look. There's more, I think.
I see one. I see another. Let's go.
I see more.
Well, I found more in here.
You did?
Look, see?
Wow.
I think my basket's almost full. Look what he did. Do you think we're done?
I see one by Rapunzel.
I see one up here. In the bed. Oh, over here.
I told you there's a lot more.
I think that's all I did.
Where's your new puppy?
He's right under here. He's right there with an Easter egg. Do you think we're done, or do you think that's almost all of them? Let's go. Oh, I found one. I found more in here.
Wow.
I
Lucky
think
girl.
that's all of them.
You think that's it?
Yep. Except, I think that if there's more, then there would be another one in the family room, I think. Let's see. Can you give me any clues of where you think there could be an Easter egg?
I don't know, honey. Are you done searching?
Yep, for now I think I'm done.
Okay.
Until I find another Easter egg.
Give me a big smile. Happy Easter.
Happy Easter!